Hi and welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can open sliding door that's stuck closed. I have 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan and my passenger side sliding door, it's stuck closed. So even if I use a key fob to unlock it, nothing happens. I cannot open it. If I try to open it manually, this is stuck and doesn't wanna turn to unlock position. If your sliding door is stuck closed like mine, you most likely will need a new door lock actuator that is located around this area. But if you need to open this power sliding door, or just it doesn't have to be power, mine is not power, mine is just manual, but still it's stuck closed. If you need to open it for some emergency or something, I'm gonna show you the way how to do it. So to start, you will have to remove this plastic piece. For that you can use some kind of a plastic pry bar or screwdriver. Start in one corner and go all the way around. Just pull it gently so you don't break the plastic trim, and then you just pull it out. Okay, now at this point you want to locate that metal rod, which is right here. I'm gonna try to zoom it. This metal rod. This metal rod is actually attached to that knob that locks and unlocks door, and that metal rod is attached to the door lock actuator that is located over here behind this panel. So what you want to do if you want to open this door, like if you have any emergency, you want to open it, you will have to grab this rod. It actually goes all the way down there. Now you will have to grab it. It's ideally if you can grab it further down, so like more inside, and try to wiggle it back and forth. Try to loosen it up so we can open this door. Usually they are pretty stuck, but if you work it out, you will be managed to open it and release it from door lock actuator, which is, like I said, right about in this corner. So I'm gonna try to work it out a little bit, see if we can open this door. Okay, I have a good grip now. There we go. And now when you got it open like this, you can try to move it back and forth so you get it even more loose. And now you can open your door. So to fix this permanently, you will actually have to take all this plastic panel out, get to your door lock actuator, and replace it with a new one. In this video I was just showing you how you can open this sliding door if you have emergency, you need to open it quickly. Thanks for watching.